Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at the daily cipher Morse code for today. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this family so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, just open your Hamster Kombat, and the code that you are going to look for today is FUD. So it is very simple. So just click on daily cipher and the first code is F. So it is short, long, short. So let's go short, long, short. So we go again short, long, short, and you can see our F over here. Now the second letter we are going to look for is U. So it is also short, long. So let's go short, long, and you can see our U over here. Now the last letter we are going to look for is D, and it is long, short. So long, short, and you can see we are done. So click on take prize to claim your 1 million coin for today. So this is the cipher Morse code for today. Please, if today happens to be your first time, just subscribe so that every time I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching.